Hello, adventurers. So as you can see, I had a sport accident. I broke my wheel landing outside the mat doing gymnastics. But on the flip side, it gives me the chance to play with the crutches. So I want to show you today how to go up on stairs. So the first rule is always to have the crutches not higher than you. And you can bend the foot on the back so that you don't trip, it doesn't bother you. So you push the shoulders down and you up with the foot. So the crutches stay where you are on the tire and up. So if you're in a hurry, you can go a little bit faster. And then on the way down, you put the foot on the front. And the same rule, the crutches are never higher than you. And you balance carefully. And if you want to go faster, you can skip a step. And if you want to train your triceps and you're in a hurry, or you want to have fun, you can bend the rule and go a little bit faster. Foot below or behind on the way up and foot in front on the way down. And that's it. If you like the video, you can put a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye! So the second technique, if you have a ramp to grab, you can take one crutch below the arm like this and you grab, same as before. And then you switch. You grab from below. One arm here. So the crutch below the body.